Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the short video and these are the questions. So one of the person basically asked the question, yeah, basically American investor basically got into tension basically. That SAP company don't know basically that text box basically which we are deriving basically, that basically we are taking from the thousand cities basically. Then what we have basically. So one of the person basically literally asked the question, what Microsoft basically have. Microsoft only basically himself basically asked the question, what actually I have basically here. Because I am taking text box from the other group basically. I am basically taking the if conditions also from the other group. Then one of the person told that I am taking while loop also. Microsoft only basically asked himself question basically. While loop also basically I am deriving from the subscription basically. Then one of the person basically asked the question, what Microsoft basically. So one of the person told that operating system basically they don't have. If text box equal to thousand cities basically, then the booting side, the Noval, then the Noval basically the software company basically, who's basically telling that basically this company, this computer is basically going to boot, he is going to boot, he basically boot this time. So that is also basically might be created from more than thousand cities. That also basically is created from the more than thousand cities only, na basically. If text box like the normal object basically is created from the thousand cities and government is basically telling that basically हमको तो नहीं पता भाई, we don't know this thing basically which you basically told just now. That was basically the American government basically told, because American government asked the questions to the software companies and software companies only basically don't know. So one of the person told that basically this was the reason basically why you are basically not getting the job basically. So one of the person basically asked the question basically, if all companies basically don't know anything basically, and if Sunil R Nair basically knows, then he should basically get good job basically. But here the thing is reward basically. The people who know lots of things basically, they basically sits at the home and search for the job, and then basically the software companies basically don't give them the job. So after this video basically the American person basically who invested in the American president basically, he got actually in the tense basically, that here basically why basically I am staying in America basically. That also question basically he asked basically, why basically I am staying in the America, because American government only don't know anything basically, and they are only basically telling that basically we are the number one country in software. So in next video basically we are going to see.